grow old together is to become two trees rooted side by side, weathering storms, shedding seasons, and stretching toward the same light, until your branches are so intertwined that time can no longer tell where one ends and the other begins. It is the quiet grace of choosing each other, again and again. It's the laughter that deepens into a shared language, the silence that feels like home, and the gentle knowledge that love is not a fleeting fire, but a steady warmth that carries you through the years. In growing old together, you don't simply age. You evolve into a living testament of devotion, patience, and the beauty of a life deeply shared.